A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope so all of you are fine at your home and doing your study. Today we will do exercise 13.5 of chapter 13. In exercise 13.5 we will study about volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Volume of cube equals to side cube, means side into side. Volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H, length into breadth into height, cubic unit. In exercise 13.5, question number first is that a matchbox measure 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? Means you have to find out the volume of a packet that contain 12 matchbox. First, dimensions of a matchbox. Question number first. Dimensions you can write as length, breadth and height. Dimensions of a matchbox equals to 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. You can also write dimensions as length equals to 4 centimeter, breadth equals to 2.5 centimeter and height equals to 1.5 centimeter. This matchbox have length, breadth and height. So we can say that the shape of matchbox is cuboid. So volume of this matchbox will be L into B into H. Volume of this matchbox equals to L into B into H. 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. 4 into 2.5, 10. 10 into 1.5 equals to 15 centimeter cube. So we can say that volume of a single matchbox equals to 15 centimeter cube. Now there are such 12 matchbox. So volume of such 12 matchbox, volume of such 12 matchboxes equals to 12 into 15. 12 into 15, 180 centimeter cube. So volume of a packet containing such 12 matchbox equals to 180 centimeter cube. Question number first is complete. Question number second is that a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Question number second. A cuboidal water tank. A cuboidal water tank six meter long, 5 meter wide, 4.5 meter deep. 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? Means you have to find out the capacity of this cuboidal water tank. First, write dimensions of cuboidal tank equals to 6 meter, 5 meter, 4.5 meter. You can also write as length equals to 6 meter, breadth equals to 5 meter and height equals to 4.5 meter. This water tank is in the shape of cuboid. So volume of this tank, volume of this tank equals to L into B into H. 6 into 5 into 4.5 equals to 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 4.5 equals to 135. 6 into 5, 30 into 4.5. Decimal is removed by 10. 45 into 3 equals to 135 meter cube. So volume of this tank equals to 135 meter cube. But find the volume of this tank in liters, not meter cube. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So capacity of this tank in liters will be 135 into 1000 equals to 1,35,000 liters. So capacity of this tank equals to 1,35,000 liters. Question number second is complete. Now take question number third. Question number third is that a cuboidal vessel 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it to be made to hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid? Means you have to find out the height of the vessel. Question number third. A cuboidal vessel. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must it made to hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid? Here volume of the vessel, volume of this vessel equals to 380 meter cube. Length equals to, length of this vessel equals to 10 meter. Breadth of this vessel equals to 8 meter. Length equals to 10 meter. Breadth equals to 8 meter. How high must? Let height equals to h meter. Volume equals to L into B into h. Here volume is given 380. 10 into 8 into h. Then our h will be 380 h. 10 into 8, 80. 80 comes in divide. 0 is cancelled by 0 equals to 38 upon 8. 4.75 meter. 8 4 32, 6 is left. 8 7 56, 4 is left. 8 5 40 meter. So height of this vessel equals to 4.75 meter. Question number third is complete. Now take question number fourth. First, may I erase this question number third. Question number 4 is that find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep. Length equals to 8 meter. Breadth equals to 6 meter. And height equals to 3 meter. A cuboidal pit. Find the cost of digging. First find its volume. A cuboidal pit. 8 meter, 6 meter, 3 meter. Find the cost of digging it. First find its volume. Then volume of this cuboidal pit equals to volume of this cuboidal pit equals to L into B into H. 8 into 6 into 3. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 8 equals to 144 meter cube. So capacity or volume of this pit equals to 144 meter cube. Rate is given at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. You have to find out the total cost. total cost equals to volume into rate. Here volume is 144 and rate is given rupees 30 per meter cube. Rupees 30 per meter cube means at 1 meter cube rupees 30. So at 144 meter cube total cost equals to 144 into 30. 0 4 3 12 1 carry 4 3 12 plus 1 13 3 1 3 plus 1 4 4 3 2 0 means rupees 4320. So the total cost to digging this pit equals to rupees 4320. Question number 4 is complete. First may I erase this question number 4 and take question number 5. Question number 5 is that the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. Find the breadth of this tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Question number 5. Length of tank equals to 2.5 meter and its depth means its height of this tank equals to 10 meter. You have to find out the breadth of the tank, a cuboidal tank. The capacity of this cuboidal tank, capacity, you can also say that volume of this cuboidal tank equals to 50,000 liter. 50,000 liter. Capacity is given in liter. Length and breadth are in meter. First convert this liter into meter cube. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So we can say that 50,000 upon 1000. 30 are cancelled by 30. 50 meter cube equals to 50 meter cube. So the capacity of this cuboidal tank equals to 50 meter cube. Now volume or capacity equals to 50 L into B into H is equal to 50. B equals to 50 upon L into H. So we can say that B equals to 50 upon 2.5, decimal is removed by 0 into H. H is 10. 1 0 is cancelled by 1 0. 25 to 50. B equals to 2 meter. So breadth of this cuboidal tank equals to 2 meter. Question number 5 is complete. Now take question number 6. First may I erase this question number 5 and then take question number 6. Question number 6 is that a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. How many days will the water of this tank last? Means a village having population 4,000 and a tank for the water. A cuboidal tank having length, breadth and height 20, 15 and 6. 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter water tank. First question number 6. Write here population of a village equals to 4,000. Water required per day by one person equals to 150 liter. You can also write water consumption per day by one person. Per day, per head. You can also write per head as one person equals to 150 liter. Then total amount of water consumed by 4,000 peoples, or we can say that water consumed by village equals to water consumption by village. Village have 4,000 persons. If one person require 150 liter water, then 4,000 persons require 4,000 into 150 liter of water. This will be equals to 50 into 15 into 4, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can say that total amount of water consumed by the village equals to 6 lakhs liter. 6 lakhs liter. Convert this 6 lakhs liter into meter cube. Liter into meter cube. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. So we can say that their 3 zeros are cancelled. 600 meter cube. 6 lakhs liter or 600 meter cube. So the capacity of water that is consumed by village per day equals to 600 meter cube. Now find the capacity of this tank having dimensions 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. Dimensions of tank are 20, 15 and 6. I directly here write volume of water tank. This tank is in the form of cuboid. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. 20 into 15 into 6. 6 into 20, 120. 120 into 15 equals to 1800 meter cube. So the amount of water in this tank equals to 1800 meter cube. But water consumed in one day equals to 600 meter cube. So number of days equals to, here we have to find the how many days will the water of this tank last. May I erase this and write here number of days. Number of days equals to volume of water tank, or we can say that volume of tank upon volume consumed by persons in one day equals to 1800 upon 600. 2 zeros are cancelled. 6 1 6, 6 3 18 equals to 3 days. So the number of days equals to 3. The water